Hi everyone, and welcome to Bob's Wood Stuff. I just got this in the mail. I've ordered a miniature Dozuki saw, and I'm very excited about it for doing small joinery. Let's open it up. Comes in this little package. Looking pretty nice. Let's see if I can open this up. Ooh, that's exciting. Ooh. So this is essentially a miniature version of this saw that I already had. It's a pretty great saw. The spine keeps it very rigid even though the blade is really thin, but I've always wanted a smaller one so I can do really small details when I'm doing joinery, and I think this will do the trick. It's made by Z-Saw. I'm not sponsored by them, but they make an excellent product, and let's give it a try. So I'll just try it here on this piece of African mahogany. Very nice. I feel like I have a lot of control, much more than if I were using this larger saw, where the part I'm aiming at is a lot farther away from my hand. So I think it'll be really good for my joinery as I continue to make more joinery videos. Overall, I'm pretty pleased with this new saw. It's going to give me a greater level of precision than I get with this larger one, and I'll be using it for a lot of joinery videos coming soon. Thank you so much for watching, and please like and subscribe. Bye.